about this Jeep that's for sale? You want to buy it? You should. Let's check it out now. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining us. Been a hot minute since we've been out here with you, especially in the woods. If you've seen any of our snow wheeling videos, and even just some wheeling videos in general, we come out here and we go four-wheeling. Problem is, I don't have anything to wheel currently. My YJ doesn't run, Mr. Peabody doesn't run, neither of them move, so yeah, good times. But today I want to talk to you guys about this Jeep that I'm selling from my best friend, Dave, and that's a, I think it's an 03, 04, I'm not sure. But this is a sweet, sweet unit. We got it out of Georgia, and it is really clean. I'm shaking like a leaf, sorry about that. Super clean Jeep. I'm gonna wheel it out here in the snow a little bit. We got open diffs, some 31s, and just kind of have some fun with it. But let me show you a few things on it real quick. All right, so here it is. Again, I don't know if it's an 03 or an 04, but it's a super clean Jeep. You know the deal. Mark Designs components. These are painted to match sliders. They look fantastic. You can tell I kind of gave it the beans to get back here. We've got some fairly deep snow back here, but it has, I think it's 126,000 miles, automatic, 4.0, Dana 35, Dana 30, 373 gears. We got it out of Georgia, so it's super clean. And I apologize, it's kind of hard to see, but it is clean. I'll try to get it some better shots here for you after a bit. But for an X, it's pretty optioned out. It has cruise control, AC, full doors, hardtop, that's factory. Does not have the temp compass mirror. It's got the khaki interior. And my buddy Dave put on a 2.5-inch rough country lift, an adjustable front track bar. It's got brand new 31-inch Cooper tires. These kind of aftermarket, well, now that I'm looking at it, I'm not actually sure that those are aftermarket. Those look like they've been painted. But the spare is most definitely one of those aftermarket Canyons that you can get. Anywho, super clean floor mats. 124,000. No check engine lights. No known issues. It was not, at least I don't think it was smoked in, but it's got this rare factory option for this smoker's thing that comes with it. CD player, does not have a sub, and yeah, it's super clean, guys. I have for it a new blower motor that was making some squealing noises, and then I have a pulley for the idler, because it's got a few little squeaks to it. So I mean, just your stereotypical 4.0 here, clean, nothing to speak of, runs great. If I did not say that, there are no check engine lights. Okay, so I should be a big practice what you preach guy. I do apologize, but I'm thinking about taking this Jeep back here through some of our, obstacles that you may have seen my white LJ just conquer on 37s with no issues. You saw the cheap Jeep series come back here. We've not been back here since last spring. So there's been zero wheeling activities. Not that this is gnarly by any stretch of the imagination. We have open diffs, 31-inch tires. So, I almost died right there. So we've got this big rock right here that I snapped my axle shaft on. I don't know that I could get back in here to turn around. I don't know. Let's survey the situation here. If we came in this side, We got some pretty big rocks over here. And I don't have a four-wheel drive vehicle at all, first of all, but I got nothing that could get back here. So, I don't know. All right, right here is kind of gnarly. I don't know. I don't think I like it. What do you guys think? Guess it's going to be irrelevant because I'm either going to do it or I'm not before you get to say anything. Okay. Man, I really would like to come back here, but might not be super intelligent. There's Decker down there. Wave, Decker. We could normally go that way, but there's a huge tree that fell over there and we can't get past that. So, I don't know, maybe we'll try. All right, we're down here at the other end and there is no way that I'm gonna get through that or get over it rather. I need some big boy tires. So, I think we're gonna stay out of the woods for today.
Ready? Let's try over on this steep side. We'll try the graceful approach. Nope. Not gonna work gracefully. A little more kapow.
All right, guys, just had a little fun with this thing. I'm giving it a 10 out of 10. If you're looking for a clean build, a rust-free build, this is the Jeep. I can't show you right now because, boy, oh boy, did I get after it a little bit. But it's clean. I assure you, I wouldn't sell you a piece of junk. I'll tell you that. So again, 124,000 miles. I'm not sure if it's an 03 or an 04. This is a clean title. Lift kit, 31-inch tires, Gambler wheels, not Gambler, Canyon wheels. I'm in the way. Pretty well stock otherwise. From Georgia, I can't remember where in Georgia we got it, but she's a clean unit, you guys. 6-cylinder, automatic, 231 transfer case, tow hooks, did the clear markers, got regular halogen headlights. $10,000, and this could be yours. Is it high? Probably a little bit for what it is, being kind of stock. But if you're looking for a unit to build and you're in the Midwest, you got rust. You got rust issues, and this unit does not. Otherwise, guys, thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. I hope to have some Mr. Peabody content and some Sherman content. That's the YJ on 37s. Mr. Peabody is the LJ that's going to be on 40s. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.